you have a fleet truck and you need help. And I mean, you take it, electrical, air conditioning, anything on a fleet truck. I specialize in electrical. I've been doing electrical since the 80s. I do the easy stuff, I do the brakes. I get you in and out quickly. You have a fleet truck, I get it in here, I get it in. Sometimes I put 2 guys on it to get you in and out so you can go back to making money, because they're supposed to be making you money. A lot of times you go to some places, they do a half a job. I'm open Saturdays. Saturdays, a lot of the companies, Saturdays are for my fleet companies. If they don't work Saturdays, they bring them to me on a Friday afternoon. There's a way I arrange for you to pick it up on Saturday. I arrange for you to pick it up on Sunday. I come in early Monday morning. I got to put you back at work. I got to put you to work, because if the truck is not working, you're not making money. Francisco's Automotive, 714-375-2661.